In the world of building management, complex wiring can turn installation into a challenge, but not anymore. Take a closer look at Ontrol's PION, the solution with a number of unconventional and unique features. Notice this, PION's unique design features 3 terminals for each I/O point, a leap in efficiency. And this additional power connection, it distributes power directly to your connected field devices, simplifying your setup. Conventional controllers often come with a limited number of common terminals, complicating the wiring process within electrical cabinets. This results in the need for separate common and 24-volt distribution terminals for each sensor and actuator. Consequently, panel builders are forced to install additional field terminals and engage in extensive jumper wiring. This not only increases labor and cabinet dimensions, but also raises the likelihood of errors and complicates troubleshooting. In contrast, a PION simplifies everything with its one-to-one wiring scheme. Within this innovative device, all necessary distribution and wiring arrangements are pre-configured within the device. This leads to reduced labor and a significant decrease in the potential for errors. Partner with us for efficient control of your buildings. Simple to install, effortless to troubleshoot, PION embodies simplicity. With Ontrol's PION, elevate your building management to the next level. Ontrol, innovating simplicity in building management.